kung ano tayo dati. Sanang hanggang ngayon, ganun pa din tayo. At saka, huwag kang magbabago. Ayun lang. I love you.
Does it take to leave it all behind? We'll see it happen one step at a time. Here we go. Never slowing down, darling. Here we go. We'll get lost until we're found, darling. Here we go.
Ayun, mahal. Malapit tayo kasal. So, malapit na tayo kasal. Malapit na ako matali sa'yo. And ayun. Patutunayan ko sa'yo na hindi ka magsisisi kasi ako yung minahal mo. At makakasama mo nga akong buhay.
Here we go. We're never slowing down, darling. Here we go. We'll get lost until we're found, darling. Here we go. What does it take to feel this alive? Every day we're gonna try. What does it take to feel this alive? Chase out our fears till they're forced to hide. What does it take to feel this alive? Every day.
Event na to, hindi. Hanggang sa habang panahon na kasama kita. Patutunayan na papakita ko sa'yo na ikaw at ikaw talaga. Yung babaeng para sa akin. Ayun, so see you later. Good luck sa akin. Love you, mahal.
We're never slowing down. No, we're never slowing down. We'll get lost until we're found. No, we're never slowing down, darling. Here we go.
No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. It's been a long night here and a long night there, and these long, long legs are damn near everywhere. Hold up, now you look good. I will not lie, but if you ask where I'm staying tonight, I gotta be like, oh baby, no baby, you got me all wrong, baby. My baby's already got all of my love. So no, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home. I will stay true. I will stay true. Now better man than
I
me.
hope na you'll be happy and stay in love forever and always. Sir Jay, kahit baliw yan si Marit, always make her happy. And alam kong ina-cherish mo siya as your wife. In life, there are uncertainties that both of you will be facing. So always put God in the center of your relationship. He will guide you throughout the relationship. Congratulations to the both of you. We have never-ending love and laughter in life. Let's raise our glasses and toast with the newlyweds. Congratulations.
Stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true. Oh, sure you will make somebody's night. But oh, are you sure as hell's not but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay. No, no, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay. Try to stay true. Try to stay true. Try to stay true. I will stay. Oh, 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 oh. Singing out. Oh, 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 oh. Singing out. Oh, 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 oh. Singing out. Oh, 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 oh. I'll stay true.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga dumating kasi binigyan niyo talaga kami ng time and sobrang na-appreciate namin yun. Ay, maraming salamat.
Ayun guys, maraming salamat sa mga nagpunta. Gaya na ng sabi ng partner ko sa mga nabalakan talagang nagpunta dito para sa amin. Sa mga office mate namin, kila Ma'am Mau, sa Team Bailing, and then sa mga kasakastan ko na kaibigan ko since 10 years. Ayun guys, tapos sa mga kamag-anak ko, sa family ko, kay Lola, and then ayun po. Sa mga ninong namin, kay Sir Julie, ayun po, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo. Naway, nabusog po natin kayo. Maraming salamat po sa blessings na bigay nyo. Ayun po, thank you so much po.
All right, and for the last time, I request everyone to stand.